How to adjust my Rainbird irrigation heads. Rainbird irrigation heads come in two forms, impact and rotor. Rainbird impact sprinklers are made of plastic or metal, feature a spike at the bottom for selective yard placement, have an adjustable rotation range and connect directly to a water hose. Rainbird rotor sprinklers are installed in the ground, pop up when activated by a connected timer, are connected to valves and have adjustable controls atop the spray head. Each sprinkler can be adjusted to fit the watering requirements of your lawn using a supplied tool or your hands. Pop-up sprinkler. Grasp the stem of the sprinkler. Lift it slightly and twist it to the right, until you reach the right trip point. After that, turn the spray head to the leftmost trip point. The left trip point is the fixed left edge, which can't be adjusted. Align the left edge of the sprinkler with the left edge of your lawn. Insert the Rainbird supplied screwdriver into the arc adjustment socket on the top of the spray head beneath the label, and twist it to the clockwise to expand the rotation range of the spray head. Each full turn of the supplied screwdriver increases the rotation range by 90 degrees. When 360 degrees is reached, a ratcheting noise sounds as a signal to stop turning the screwdriver. Insert the supplied screwdriver into the arc adjustment socket and twist it counterclockwise to narrow the rotation range down to a minimum of 40 degrees. When 40 degrees is reached, a ratcheting noise sounds. Insert the supplied screwdriver into the radius adjustment socket atop the spray head above the label and twist it clockwise to decrease the projection range or throw of the stream by up to 25%. Twist it counterclockwise to fully restore the throw. Throw reduction has no effect on the amount of water that flows through the head. Impact sprinkler. Tilt down the distance flap above the nozzle slightly to deflect the projection of the stream. Twist the diffuser screw on the toe of the spray head to break up the stream and shorten the distance. Flip up the trip pin on the lower left edge of the base to allow the sprinkler to rotate in a full, continuous circle. Flip down the trip pin to activate the set rotation range of the arc adjusters. Rotate the arc adjusters or trip collars around the base of the sprinkler to align with the left and right edge of the watering area. If the collars are metal, squeeze the ends together to adjust them.